Today we are going to learn how to mount a solenoid valve on a manifold. Make sure you've got everything you need: the manifold, rubber pad, screws, blanking plate, and your solenoid valves. You should have 2 single solenoid valves and 1 double solenoid valve. Now take the rubber pad and check that it lines up perfectly with the manifold. You don't want any misalignment here, it should fit snugly. Now, place valves on the manifold in the positions where they need to go. This is the most crucial part of placing the valve on the manifold. Next, grab your screws and a screwdriver. Use a spring washer with each screw to secure the valves in place on the manifold. Make sure you tighten them up nicely, but not too tight you don't want to strip the threads. If you've got a port on the manifold that you're not using, that's where the blanking plate comes in. Put it over the unused port and secure it down with screws and washers, just like you did with the valves. Double-check everything. Make sure all the seals are seated properly and all screws are tightened just right. Now your manifold is all set up and ready to use. By following these steps, you can effectively ensure the correct mounting of a solenoid valve on a manifold. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a hi at our WhatsApp number 012-047-3333 or visit our website spacpneumatic.com for more information.